Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or display an outline around an area of focus or search boxes in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this is an accessibility feature, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either turn that on or off. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Edge and then select the three-dotted menu icon up at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that. And you want to go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select Accessibility. And then on the right side underneath where it says Make Microsoft Edge Easier to Use, show a high visibility outline around the area of focus on the page. Go ahead and toggle that to the on position if you want to now enable that box to appear. As you can see, it appears within search fields now. So definitely a cool feature to know about if you are into outline boxes like that. If you want to turn that off, you just can toggle that to the off position, and then it should not appear anymore when you're clicking in setting fields or in areas of focus. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.